Alright, we are going to compare numbers today. This will be a review. You will all have been doing a really good job of comparing numbers in your daily math. So let's just go ahead and get started. Write down a set of numbers. I want you to say these numbers in standard form. 3,010, 2,040. So now what is the name of the unit with the greatest place value? It's the thousands. So we're going to compare the value of the thousands. I have 3 thousands in this number, and I have 2 thousands in my other number. So 3 thousands is more or greater. I would now read this. 3,010 is greater than 2,040. I want you to take just a minute. We're going to think about something. What if instead of comparing the largest place value, which was the thousands, what if I compared my tens place value? That's all I looked at was my tens. In this number I have 1 10, and here I have 4 tens. So we know that 4 is more than 1, but that doesn't matter because we always look to our greatest place value whenever we are comparing numbers. But 3,010 is greater than 2,040. We could also write that as 2,040 is less than 3,010. Both of those statements are true. Let's try another. I want you to read each number. This is 43,021 and 45,302. Now before, in the first problem, our largest unit was thousands. But in this set of numbers, our largest unit is 10,000s. I have 4 10,000s. And I have 4 10,000s in my other number. So if the digits in the largest unit are equal, what do? So we go to the place value to the right, the next smallest. And in this case, we have a 3. We have 3 thousands and 5 thousands. So since that's different, now we can compare these. 3,000 is less than 5,000. So I would read this. 43,021 is less than 45,302. Or remember, we could also write it as 45,302 is greater than 43,021. Both of those representations are correct. Let's try another one. I want you to read these numbers. In this first one, we're going to name the thousands period. 970,000.
Happy birthday, Jane.
461. So 970,461. And I'm going to name the next number 907,641. All right, so remember, we always start with the largest place value. So in this problem, I have 900 thousandths and 900 thousandths. The 100 thousandths are equal, so I have to move to the right. Now I have 7 10,000ths and 0 10,000ths. I know 7 10,000ths is more. We would compare this as 970,461 is greater than 907,641. This time I'm going to give you a set of numbers. Okay, we have 32,434, 32,644, and 32,534. I want you to write these numbers in order from greatest to least. So I need to start with the greatest and work down to the least, or biggest to smallest. In all three of my numbers, I'll start with 3 10,000ths, 3 10,000ths, 3 10,000ths. Those are all equal, so that doesn't help me to order them. Next I'm going to look, I have 2,000, 2,000, and 2,000. That also doesn't help me. So I just have to keep moving to the right until I find a digit that has a value that is not the same. So I'm going to move on to my hundreds. 400, 600, 500. So I can look at the hundreds place value. And I know that the biggest is 600. 600 is more than 400 and 500. So 32,644 is greater than. Now I've got my other two to compare. I have 400s and 500s. 500s is more, so 32,534. And that is greater than my smallest number, which is 32,434. Now we're going to look at one more way of comparing numbers. This time I'm going to write the numbers a little bit different. I'm going to write this number in expanded form. So 700,000 plus 30,000 plus 20 plus 8. And I want to compare that to 735,008. Take a minute to think about how you would solve and write your comparison. I'm going to go ahead and put my number that's in expanded form into standard form. So I have 700 thousandths, 3 10,000ths, 0 thousandths, 0 hundredths, 2 tens, 8 ones. So now in standard form I have 730,028 to compare to 735,008. If I take a look at this, I have 700 thousandths, 700 thousandths. Those are equal. I need to go to the place value to the right to compare. 3 10,000ths, 3 10,000s. That's equal as well. So I'm going to keep moving over until I find a place value that the digits are not equal. I have 0 thousands and 5 thousands. I know 5 thousands is more. So my inequality symbol opens toward the larger number. 730,028 is less than 735,008. Let's try another one. I'm going to compare this number 400 thousands, 8 thousands, 9 tens. That's just written in unit form. And my other number I'm going to write in expanded form. 40,000 plus 8,000 plus 90. And to make this easier, I'm just going to go ahead and I'm going to put both numbers in standard form, and I'm going to write them on these lines to compare. So my first number, 400 thousands, tells me that in my 100 thousands place value, I'm going to have a 4. I don't have any 10 thousands, so I'm going to put a 0 in the 10 thousands place value. I have 8 thousands. I don't have any hundreds. I have 9 tens and no ones. So in standard form, that is 408,090. This number in expanded form, my largest value is 4 10,000s or 40,000. Then I have 8 thousands, 0 hundreds, 9 tens, and 0 ones. So I'm comparing 408,090 to 48,090. Let me check my largest place value. The largest value here is 400 thousands. And this one is 4 10,000s. I know that 100 thousands is a larger unit than 10 thousands. So that number is greater. 408,090 is greater than 48,090.